I got this old Ford 360 and a 79 F250. Runs great, fixed all the vacuum leaks, and my vacuum advance is trash, but it runs and starts occasionally. By occasionally, I mean whenever I get mad enough to make it start. Now, it's got this intermittent knock that comes from this side, and I cannot for the life of me figure out what it is. By intermittent, I mean once the engine gets pretty warm and the coolant gauge starts going up, and it's not a misfire because you probably noticed that replaced spark plug. I'm trying to figure it out. Sounds like it's coming from the left side of the engine. It's either, I'm hoping it's not rod knock, but that's what it sounds like. And maybe even timing chain slap, I don't know, help me out. Thank y'all.